Today I am reviewing the EmpowerDX MTHFR Gene Test Kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To understand why this test is so valuable, we first need to talk about what the MTHFR gene actually does in the human body. MTHFR stands for an enzyme that acts as a master controller for how your body processes folate, which is vitamin B9. When your body takes in folate from foods or supplements, this gene produces the enzyme needed to convert it into its active, usable form, known as L-methylfolate. This active folate is the fuel that runs a critical cellular process called methylation. Methylation is responsible for things like regulating homocysteine levels, which is an amino acid that can cause significant damage to your blood vessels and increase cardiovascular risks if it gets too high. Even more importantly, for everyday wellness, methylation plays a direct role in how your brain produces crucial mood neurotransmitters, including dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. When you have a variant or a mutation in your MTHFR gene, your body produces an enzyme that is much less efficient, sometimes reducing your ability to process folate by up to 70%. This lack of active folate can lead directly to mental health struggles, depressed moods, fertility challenges, and a feeling that you are simply not thriving mentally or physically. The EmpowerDX kit makes discovering your genetic status incredibly easy, especially when compared to the old way of doing things. In the past, if you wanted an MTHFR test, you usually had to convince a doctor to order a specialized blood test, which often resulted in an incredibly expensive lab bill that health insurance rarely covered. With this kit, the entire process is handled completely from the comfort of your own home. The collection method is completely non-invasive and painless, utilizing a simple mouth swab to collect your DNA sample from the inside of your cheek. Because it is just a gentle cheek swab and not a painful finger prick or blood draw, the test is perfectly safe and easy to use on anyone ages 2 and older, making it a viable option for parents who suspect genetic variations might be impacting their children. Once you open up the box, the instructions are incredibly clear and straightforward. You simply swish the cotton swab inside your mouth against your cheek cells, place the sample inside the protected collection tube, and mail it back to their laboratory using the prepaid shipping label included in the box. It is vital to note that their laboratories are fully certified by multiple major medical organizations, which gives you the confidence that your sample is being handled with the exact same rigorous clinical standards as a sample taken at a hospital or a doctor's office. The turnaround time is remarkably fast, promising secure, private online results within just 6 days after the lab receives your sample. In my experience, the speed was fantastic, and I did not have to wait weeks on end just to know what was happening with my biology. When your results are ready, you log into a secure, HIPAA-compliant online patient portal to view them privately. What I love most about EmpowerDX is how they present this data. Instead of just sending you a confusing, raw scientific data sheet full of medical jargon that leaves you feeling more lost than before, they provide a beautifully structured, easy-to-read test guide. This guide explains exactly what your specific markers mean. It will tell you if you are negative, or if you have inherited 1 or 2 copies of the genetic variants from your parents, such as being heterozygous or homozygous for the mutations. Knowing this information is a massive breakthrough because emerging research is continuously studying the heavy associations between these specific MTHFR variants and chronic conditions like autoimmune diseases, chronic fatigue, and cognitive struggles. The real power of this test lies in the actionable steps you can take once you know your status. If the test reveals that you do have an MTHFR variant, the solution is often beautifully simple and non-invasive, such as switching from synthetic folic acid to pre-methylated B vitamins like L-methylfolate, which bypasses the genetic bottleneck entirely. Having this data allows you to work intelligently with your healthcare provider or a nutritionist to customize your supplements and diet based on your exact genetic blueprint. It is important to keep in mind that EmpowerDX can only process samples from customers located inside the United States, so international users will have to look elsewhere. But for anyone in the US who wants to unlock the answers to their chronic fatigue, brain fog, or mood struggles, the EmpowerDX MTHFR Gene Test Kit is an incredibly accessible, reliable, and life-changing health tool that I highly recommend.